Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a map on your Roomba Combo J5. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our iRobot home app and then select our Roomba and then click on the map button on the top of the screen, and then you're going to either click on the create a new map button or on the plus icon on the top right. And here it's going to ask you to prepare your home for mapping. So for example, you're going to set up the Roomba where you want for it to start to map from. Then you're going to pick up some of the obstacles, so like some miscellaneous items, and then turn on like the lights and the blinds so there's better lighting for the camera of the Roomba. And then you're going to click on start mapping. So once you click start mapping, it's going to start mapping for you for about like an hour depending on your space, and once it's done, it's going to notify you and return to the spot it began from. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.